Okay, this is inequalities, and we're going to deal with greater than, less than, or equal to, but we're also having to put a number into a variable, or vice versa, a variable into a number, and solve. So for instance, this first one has given us y equals 4. Now, I have 5y is either greater than, less than, or equal to 18. Now, knowing that I've got a 5y, that means 5 times y, which will be 5 times 4. This was one of the ways you can show multiplication. So 5 times 4 is actually going to give us 20. So when I think about this, 5y is actually equal to 20. So is 20 greater than, less than, or equal to 18? And knowing what we know, it will be greater than. Moving to the second one, same idea exists. I have 8y is greater than, less than, or equal to 80. So I'm going to plug 7 in for my y. Now I have 8 times 7, because 8 times y, 8 times 7, is 56. Is 56 greater than, less than, or equal to 80? And it would be less than. Remember to plug these things in. Now, the second half of this gets a little more difficult. I have the inequality 5x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 18. X in this case would be equal to 3. So I need to take 5 and insert my x, meaning 3, so I will multiply 5 times 3 plus 2. Now think back to our order of operations. I must do my multiplication before I do my addition. So 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2, and 15 plus 2 will give me 17. And if I think about this, I'll rewrite it. 17 greater than, less than, or equal to 18, it will be less than. And with the last one, we actually have to plug in on both sides. X in this case will be 7. So I will rewrite 12 minus 7 on this side, 7 plus 1 on this side, on the right side. 12 minus 7 will be 5. 7 plus 1 is 8, and we all know that 5 is less than 8. This is how we solve for inequalities.